So Pi Network actually dipped, right? According to CoinMarketCap, as at yesterday, Pi Network was around $2, but currently it is down here $0.72. In the last video I made, some people were asking if you can still be able to mine Pi even after the launch. The answer is yes. Yes, you can mine Pi even after it has launched. All you just need to do is just to go to your Pi app and click that button every 24 hours. And for those of you that are still not mining Pi, it is not too late to start mining. I'll leave the link in the description. The first link you see, just click that link and you can get started. Now, the thing is, I'm not worried about the price going down. To be honest, Pi Network is one of those cryptocurrencies that I think will peak this bull season, because we are still in the bull season, and I think Pi Network is going to actually peak. It's going to break so many all-time high. In the last 24 hours, the trading volume of Pi has been $558.7 million. Even if we know that there are more sellers than buyers right now, for this volume, it is quite impressive right now, something that launched yesterday. Despite the fact that Pi Network has dipped, the volume is still as high as 558 million. That's not what just any coin can come around to do. Now, one thing you should know is that for you to make the most out of Pi Network, you have to have a sense of delayed gratification, because it's not an instant gain. It's not an instant profit. You don't make an instant profit from Pi Network. It is based on delayed gratification. You have to be able to wait and be patient enough. By the way, I'm going to be leaving my Telegram link in the description. You can join that link if you want to be part of my free class, because I'm going to be organizing a free class sometimes next month. So you should join that Telegram link and hold on for me, because I'm going to teach you everything about cryptocurrency for free in that Telegram group. Now, according to someone in the comment section, he said, why would I advise someone to not sell when I understand the situation of the country and then the fact that so many people are not having much money, that I shouldn't advise people not to sell, that I'm not in their shoes and all? Well, I agree with him 100%. Not like I'm trying to tell you what to do, but I'm just suggesting that there has to be this sense of delayed gratification if you really want to make a lot of money from a project like this, because projects like this take time to grow and become something very significant. But then again, rather than holding all your Pi, you can as well sell some Pi network tokens and then keep a significant amount somewhere. You can lock it away to watch it grow and mature, right? So that's that about that. A lot of people are saying that Pi can never cross $1. I'm going to give a couple of reasons why I think Pi will be able to cross $1 and even cross $10, cross $15, and even go way above that price point. There is no limitation to the price of Pi. We're going to analyze it together in this video. Now, in my last video, I analyzed something. Now, looking at the overall crypto global market, you're going to see that currently the market cap of Bitcoin is over $1.8 trillion, followed by Ethereum, which is $319 billion, followed by XRP, which is 146. Now, when you open Ethereum, and then we check the market cap, we go to all, we're going to see that there was a time that Ethereum went way above $500 billion. It was around 560 something billion dollars. That was the top, right? Around 2021, Ethereum hit as high as 560, way over 560 billion market cap. So this market cap you are seeing right now is not the highest market cap ever for Ethereum. So what does that tell you? That there is still room. It is realistic for Pi Network to exceed even $20. I'm going to show you why I think so. Mathematically, I'm going to prove it to you that it is realistic for Pi Network to be able to cross $20 and even hit as much as $50. There are a number of reasons why I'm so bullish on Pi Network tokens. But the major reason why I'm so bullish on Pi Network tokens, for one, is that they have a very large community. Pi has a very large community. You can see on their Twitter page right now, they have as much as 3.8 million followers. And then the last post, which was 20 hours ago, you can see that they got 714,000 impressions, 18,000 likes, where the wife, Cheng Daofin, was giving out a speech. They were able to get the attention of over 700,000 people in the last 20 hours. What does that tell you? That's a very strong, big community. It is one of the biggest crypto communities that has ever existed in the history of crypto. And they are extremely global. Everywhere you turn to, you find Pi network. Is it Africa, South America, North America, Asia, large part of Asia, and several other places? Pi network is global. People might act like they don't know about Pi network, but trust me, you will be surprised, you'll be shocked at the caliber of people that are aware of this project. So Pi network is not a small project. The network is extremely large and has one of the most competitive layer ones. And not to mention the impressive technology behind Pi network. All you just have to do is to have your mobile phone. It doesn't matter if it is Play Store or App Store, wherever you can get the app downloaded and just mine. You're just one click away to getting Pi network tokens, unlike mounting heavy computers to get rewarded. In the last video I dropped, I even used $100 billion market cap as a metric to gauge the price that Pi can possibly get to. But the crypto space is very crazy. Pi network can even go as high as 500 billion market cap. Now imagine the current market cap of Pi network is $4.56 billion. Now imagine if Pi network can be able to get to $500 billion. That's way over 100x. Multiply 100 by 0.72. How much is that? That is about $72, right? So that is realistic. Unlike saying Pi network will be worth $314,000. I'd never believed that for a second, right? But now, considering the supply given to us right now and also the market cap we're looking at, it is possible for Pi network to hit $500 billion market cap. So now just multiply 100 times the current price, which is 0.72. So that's about $72. Now imagine you having 1,000 Pi network tokens. When you multiply this by 1,000, that's $72,000. As long as Pi network can be able to gain grounds in the crypto space, 500 billion market cap is realistic for Pi network to hit. And then look at what you're going to be getting in the long run. So I sincerely think that people should not be disappointed that Pi network is dumping right now, because it is natural in the crypto space. It is natural in the history of crypto that this should happen. I saw this coming even before it started. It has always been that way in crypto. There is definitely going to be a rebound later on. You shouldn't worry about the price of Pi network right now. All I would advise you to do is to just keep mining your Pi network and be optimistic about this project. Not like I'm a prophet or I'm a soothsayer or I'm a fortune teller, but my gut tells me that this project is going to be very massive. So you just stick around and hold on to your Pi network tokens for you to be able to benefit from the massiveness of this project. Now, we all know that there is no doubt that this coin is also going to be listed on Binance. That's also going to be another bull catalyst for Pi network. By the time it lists on Binance, it's going to surge really high and it's going to gain ground more. I would think me saying that Pi is going to hit $17 is an understatement, because there's room for more growth in Pi network. So guys, stay locked, stay prepared, and be optimistic that Pi is going to actually do great things. So guys, if you found value in this content that I just put out, kindly help me hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel so you can be able to get more valuable content like the one you just got now. So guys, that will be the end of today's video. I'm going to see you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.